Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. Now we have an unboxing here. I just bought a few collectibles recently and I know you will like it. It's a very nice addition to the collection. But now we'll see first the stamps. You can see old stamps were used in here, and it says Merry Christmas and it's year 2005. And the next one is a dinosaur. And the last one is from the Barcelona Olympics in 1992. Says 80 cents in New Zealand. So nice stamps. And we'll open this one up and see what they are. Here we go. See it right away. We'll see this one. Wow. Okay. There we go. Two nice banknotes. Oh, it's still attached. Okay. So we got these two banknotes on the unboxing, and I'm just gonna remove it on the plastic because it's the light is having too much glare and it's not a good sight to have it reflecting. So open it up, remove it from the plastic. But mind you, it's after this I'll put it back in the plastic because it serves as protection. So it's good to have it in plastic. Yeah. So we go with this one first. So this one is they're both from Spain actually. See, El Banco de España. So this one is 25 pesetas banknote, and you can see here up above El Banco de España or Bank of Spain, and we can see the value 25 pesetas or 25 pesetas. We can also see the numbers here 3894262. It's like the control number. We can also see Madrid, 25 Abril de 1931. So it's April 25, 1931. You can see the governor's signature, the auditor's signature, and the cashier's signature. And we can see the value 25 on the four corners. And we can also see the portrait here of who's this? Vicente Lopez. I don't know who he is. Maybe he has the historical figure of Spain. And on this blank spot, we can see it have it have a security thing. It's like a portrait inside, hidden, or like an invisible ink or invisible thing. It's like a security for the banknote back then, so you would know if it's a counterfeit or not. See that one, eh? And on the reverse side, it's we can see the Banco España up above, or Bank of Spain, and the value, of course, on the four corners, on the three corners, actually 25. And we can see here the letterings 25 pesetas, or in English is 25 pesetas. We can also see the control number 3804262, and a portrait here of I think it's an angel playing harp, and this man here holding him. So it is a nice piece of history from Spain, an old banknote. And this one is it's more older than the other one, because this one is from 1928 and its value is double the other one. It's 50 pesetas. We can see here up above El Banco de España, and the value 50 pesetas or 50 pesetas. We can also see Madrid 15 de agosto de 1928, or Madrid August 15, 1928. We can also see the governor's signature, and then the auditor's signature, and down below is the cashier's signature. And this is a nice portrait of, I think it's a museum in Spain. And this one is a portrait of who's this one? Velasquez. It says probably a historical figure there, maybe a painter. And you can also see the security detail. I think it's a woman facing the left or the right. That's what they used back then. Security detail like these ones, like an invisible ink. And you can see the value on three sides, 50 pesetas. On the reverse side, we can see the value up above on the left, 50. Up above, Banco de España or Banco of Spain, and the control number C9023091 on the four corners. And this one, I think this is the seal of the coat of arms of Spain. And a very nice portrait here with I think they're soldiers, and you can see a horse as well. And we can also see of course the security detail. Wow, nice old banknotes of Spain. So there you go. Nice ones. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a good day.